The Prevost Featherlite H345 is a luxurious motor coach built for those who demand the best in comfort, performance, and style. The H345 boasts a large and opulent living space, featuring comfortable seating, high-quality materials, and ample storage compartments for all your travel essentials. Imagine relaxing on plush couches, enjoying meals prepared in a gourmet kitchen, or unwinding in a spacious bedroom after a long day on the road. The H345 is equipped with modern safety features such as collision avoidance systems, lane departure warnings, and electronic stability control to enhance safety on the road. The Prevost Featherlite H345 is a top-of-the-line motor coach designed for those who desire the ultimate in luxury and comfort for traveling. If you're looking for a spacious, feature-rich, and powerful vehicle for your next road trip, the H345 is definitely a coach to consider. The CMC Motorhome is a luxurious and spacious option built by the Italian company CMC Caravan, known for their high-end trailer and special vehicle creations. Based on information about other CMC vehicles, the EILA likely offers a large and opulent living area featuring top-quality materials, comfortable seating, and ample storage for all your travel needs. Imagine relaxing in plush couches, enjoying meals prepared in a gourmet kitchen, or unwinding in a spacious bedroom after exploring new destinations. Similar to other CMC offerings, there's a good chance the EILA can be customized to your taste. This might include choosing interior design schemes, specific layouts, and preferred appliances or entertainment systems to create a personalized traveling space. The CMC EILA Motorhome seems like an extravagant choice for those seeking the ultimate comfort and personalization in a luxury RV. The STX EILA Edition 1 is a premium motorhome designed for those who value luxury and comfort on the road. The EILA Edition 1 boasts a generous amount of living space thanks to 4 slide-outs. This creates a comfortable and roomy interior with dedicated areas for sleeping, dining, cooking, and relaxing. High-quality materials. The interior is finished with high-end materials like leather and wood, creating a luxurious and sophisticated ambience. Comfortable amenities. Imagine features like plush seating, a well-equipped kitchen, a large bathroom with a shower, and workspaces for those who need to stay connected on the go. The STX EILA Edition 1 is a luxurious and well-equipped motorhome designed for those who prioritize comfort, performance, and top-of-the-line amenities on their road trips. However, keep in mind its potential limitations regarding availability, price, and size before making a decision. Entegra Coach is a leading manufacturer of high-end diesel and gas motorhomes known for their luxurious interiors, quality craftsmanship, and superior performance. They offer a variety of Class A, Class C, and Class B RVs to suit different needs and budgets. Entegra's Class A motorhomes are designed for those who desire the ultimate in comfort and space on the road. These spacious vehicles feature expansive living areas with slide-outs, high-end finishes, and top-of-the-line amenities like gourmet kitchens, spacious bathrooms, and home theater entertainment systems. Despite their compact size, Entegra Class C RVs still provide comfortable living spaces with functional layouts, ample storage, and all the essential amenities needed for a relaxing RV trip. Entegra Coach is a reputable manufacturer offering a variety of luxury RVs for those who value comfort, performance, and quality. If you're looking for a well-equipped and luxurious RV for your next adventure, Entegra is a brand worth considering. The VARIO Signature is a behemoth in the world of luxury motorhomes, offering the ultimate in opulence and functionality for those who demand the best. At nearly 40 feet, 12 meters long, The Signature 1200 boasts a massive living area. Imagine expansive living quarters with multiple slide-outs that create a palatial interior equipped for maximum comfort on extended journeys. The interior is meticulously crafted with luxurious materials like leather upholstery, real wood veneers, and high-quality appliances. Think gourmet kitchens, spacious bathrooms, and home theater entertainment systems for an unparalleled living experience on the road. One of the most distinctive features is the spacious garage accommodating a variety of vehicles like a sports car, motorcycle, or even a small utility vehicle. This allows you to explore your surroundings with a second mode of transportation after reaching your campsite. Lavish Luxury RV Marathon Show Coach refers to a specific type of high-end motorhome, combining the top-of-the-line features of Marathon Coach with a focus on luxurious amenities. Renowned manufacturer of luxury RVs built on Prevost bus chassis, known for their superior quality, customization options, and cutting-edge technology. Spacious interior slide-outs create expansive living areas with ample room for relaxation and entertaining. Expect luxurious materials like leather upholstery, handcrafted cabinetry, stone countertops, and designer fixtures throughout the coach. Advanced technology features like solar panels for off-grid capability, smart home integration for effortless control, high-tech entertainment systems, and top-of-the-line appliances in the kitchen elevate the living experience. Lavish Luxury RV describes the experience of owning a Marathon Show Coach, a rolling palace equipped with the finest amenities and innovations in the RV world. If you're looking for the ultimate in luxury and comfort for your RV adventures, a Marathon Show Coach might be your dream vehicle. The AIRSTREAM Atlas is a luxurious Class B+ motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It's known for its blend of performance, comfort, and iconic AIRSTREAM design. A power slide-out extends the living area, offering ample room to relax, entertain, or convert into a sleeping area with a Murphy bed. The AIRSTREAM Atlas is a great option for those seeking a luxurious and comfortable RV for on-road adventures. The Atlas boasts high-quality materials throughout, with leather upholstery, sleek cabinetry, and stainless steel accents creating a refined living space. However, its high price tag and limited sleeping capacity make it a niche choice. Carefully consider your needs. The Fleetwood Discovery is a series of luxurious Class A diesel motorhomes known for their spacious layouts, powerful engines, and comfortable amenities. These are large motorhomes built on heavy-duty truck chassis, offering the most living space and powerful performance among RVs. Depending on the model and layout, they can comfortably sleep 6 to 8 people with features like convertible beds, bunkhouse areas, and pull-out sofas. Expect large living areas with multiple slide-outs that expand the space significantly when deployed. High-end finishes, solid surface countertops, hardwood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and comfortable furniture create a luxurious living environment. Depending on the model, they can comfortably sleep 6 to 8 people with features like convertible beds, bunkhouse areas, and pull-out sofas. Touchscreen control panels, GPS navigation, and backup cameras enhance ease of use and safety. Cummins diesel engines deliver ample power for navigating highways and handling inclines.